Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram, as well as mekshairjourney on Instagram. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This beautiful kit from ThePlannerShack is called Tropical Paradise. No, it's Tropical Oasis. This kit is absolutely beautiful. The colors are just I fell in love with it when I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be my next plan with me video for May. I know it is June. I am so behind, y'all, but we are gonna be doing some memory planning and we are gonna get our lives together. May was extremely busy for this stay-at-home online teacher homeschooling mama. Do you hear me, girl? I mean, my goodness, school was ending. We were doing end of the year testing, you name it, we had to get it done. And then we had Mother's Day, which was the same day as my anniversary for my wedding, mine and my husband. Whew, y'all, it was a lot. So I am playing catch up. I hope that is okay with everyone, but I am slowly getting back into the swing of things now that school has ended, and I am prepping my kids to transition back to brick and mortar school. Regular school is coming up in August. So yes, so right now I am trying to get these bottom boxes straightened. I just love the tropical vibes of this. It makes me want to go on another vacation. And I am also working on my sidebar. I have already put my date covers, my washi headers, and I've also did my washi banner. And it looks absolutely like these colors, y'all, let me tell you, are so pretty. Oh, I guess I went back to the last plan with me I did to make sure. I have to double check sometimes because the sizing of this new template that I made fits so perfectly into my dot grid planner, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, so sometimes you'll see me checking back and forth, but I think that was the only time I did it there. But yes, y'all, May was crazy. And then even the beginning of this month, my son got sick and he had the stomach flu. So we were on like lockdown for about 2-3 weeks. It was just insane. Just the craziness. Right now I am putting down the 2 double boxes, and y'all, I can't wait till I zoom in because baby, let me tell you, these boxes were so cute. A little pop of gold in there, honey. I was here for it. So right now I am finishing up trying to decide where I want to put these boxes. I was really feeling the white floral background, and I actually kind of wish that in all of like the empty spaces I would have put that there and then just put everything on top of it. That would have been like a cool little effect. I might try that one day to see what it looks like. But here I'm about to play around with how May looks, whether or not it'll fit in the box, because there will be a cut line around this half circle scallop, and I just want to make sure it is set and straight. Y'all, look at that sidebar doll. I mean, she is too cute. Just vibes. And I low-key could have used this as an anniversary kit too, but I am going to be using a different kit for my anniversary. That'll be another memory plan with me. It's actually one of the wedding kits in the PlannerShack. I will be using that, and I will be using one of the kits from my shop for my monthly for May. Y'all, I got so much to catch up on. But here I am just putting down my half circle scallop. And then I'm also putting down some other half boxes with some scallops on top, just doing some layering things. Still trying to do some layering to make some little pop effect of everything that I've learned. And yeah, so I paused for a second and I cut a lot of it out, but I legit was like frozen to the TV for 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. And I started watching the Black Wall Street documentary on CNN, and I was completely glued to it. I had known about a lot of it, but there was a lot that I did not know. about all the things that happened in Black Wall Street. So I was literally stuck to the TV until it ended, and then I finished doing this plan with me, which is another perk of doing digital plan with me's, because you can do them while sitting in the bed at midnight, watching TV, and I can just be doing my plan with me's. The downside is that sometimes I forget that I'm recording, and I have to edit out a lot of like me not doing anything. I still have mommy brain, even though my kids are 11 and 7 years old. It is insane. But okay, right here I am labeling on Monday that my daughter and my son both had end of the year testing on Monday and Tuesday. I believe Monday was reading and, well, English, and then Tuesday was math. And then I also just labeled that I had to turn in my baby girl's final test. She had to write a final paper. So I turned that in on Thursday. And then I just labeled that I actually did this plan with me on the 29th, Saturday of May. And I just labeled that there. And then I put down that we had a date night on Friday night, and I also labeled that I had to do a Target run. I actually had to run to Target to pick up the new Conair Infinity Pro Conair, the Not Doctor hair dryer. I am an influencer with influencer.com. I will have links to all that down below. It's an amazing program where stuff that you get, you can leave reviews on it, and then sometimes they'll send you free stuff for you to do reviews on. This Conair one was actually a review where you go buy it at the store and then they give you cash back. So I had a deadline to get that done by Saturday, so I did it on Friday. So I did that, and I had been contemplating whether or not I wanted to really get back into doing my influencer things, doing my mommy vlogs, and I was just praying and, meditating on where I want to be by the end of the year with my influencer-ness and my my hair vlog and mommy journey and all that good stuff. And I finally was like, I'm just gonna do it. It'll give me a good segue into when the kids start school, and yeah, just get back into doing my reviews and stuff, and hopefully give you guys some inspiration on some cool stuff that you can buy, and hopefully you join Influencer and get up on this free stuff. So right now I have my Influencer account linked to my planner account. So you have to post. Sometimes they make you post, sometimes they don't, but you have to post on your Instagram feed and sometimes on your Insta stories, and then you have to put the hashtags for what contest that you're doing in order to get the credit for doing the campaign. So that's what I was doing there. I'm sorry if that was a really long, drawn out explanation, but that's what I was doing for Influencer and Conair. And I'm happy to announce that Conair really, really liked my my review of their hair blow dryer. I'm sorry, I can't talk. I'm just so excited. They really, really liked my review, and they just sent me a message via email and asked if they could have permission to use my post in a campaign. And I was like, oh, yes. So that right there just showed me that that was an answered prayer. That was God saying, yes, go ahead, start doing your influencer thing again, Meks. You got this. So I was really excited about that, and I have been doing a lot. I have been getting back into doing my hair videos, doing my braiding videos, and I've had a lot of braiding companies reach out to me wanting me to review their hair products. So I'm really, really in a good space right now, and I'm just really excited. But here I am marking that on Friday the 28th, the PlannerShack was having a weekend sale, which ironically, she's having another weekend sale right now. By the time I post this video, I am not sure if the sale will still be going on, but if it is, it'll come automatically out when you go to check out. But if there isn't, you can always use PlannergirlMek 35 to save 35% on your purchase. And also, I want you guys to put PlannergirlMek in the notes section. I have a completely new freebie. So if you have my old freebie, amazing. But this time I want you to get my new freebie because it is the cuteness. It is so cute and I really want you guys to have it. So make sure you put in the notes sections PlannergirlMek to get my new freebie. But I am winding stuff down, getting getting it done. This was, as always, super fun, and I love doing these videos with you guys. I'm so glad that I can bring it to you digitally and hopefully give you some inspiration to plan your life. And if you are a mommy, it's okay to memory plan. Just write your stuff down, keep it as a journal, and memory plan. I will be doing a lot of those in the coming days. I will try to stay up to date with what I'm doing now, but I mean, y'all, I have a lot to catch up on. So I won't do all of my memory spreads via video, but I will try my best to share those with you all. Here I am labeling that I did my nails on Thursday. I painted them. I've been giving myself a break from the dip nails because that last install was just not, she was not having it. But I just want to make sure. I did a hair video on Tuesday. There was a hair YouTube video on Tuesday that I did. And I believe I posted it that same day. I did some planning and I paid the bills on Wednesday. And I think that is everything, y'all. Let's just sit back and enjoy the cuteness of this beautiful tropical oasis in the Planner Shack. And it's just cute and I can't get enough of it. I wanted to find a place to use that and I just threw it up there because it was so cute. But okay, guys, I am going to bring this to an end. You will see next that I have put it in my digital planner, so you'll see a side-by-side of that, and then after that clip you will see me showing you this spread printed out in my planner. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It truly helps out my channel. Please check out my latest video. It is a mommy vlog. So check out that video after you watch this one, and I will be sure to try to keep up to date with everything. But thank you guys so much for watching again. PlannergirlMek 35 to save 35% in the Planner Shack, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye, guys.